Ok, les voy a enseñar cómo reemplazar aquí. Now to change this back here, you see this here? You're gonna open it up. It's gonna like lift it up like that. And then you see this right here? You're gonna like push it back. Boom. And now it's loose. You kind of like pop it out. And then back again. You're gonna pull this out of here. Y ahora vamos a sacar esta cosa para acá. Sacamos esto. Le sacamos los metales. Before you take out this, make sure you kind of put it the same way. That way you know exactly how to put it in there. Así que lo pones en el mismo lado. Así mero, así está. 1, 2, ok, así está. So, así que le quitas el metal este y se lo pones aquí. So you take it off and then you put it back in the new one. The same way, so that way you know how to put it back in there. Y en cuál. Así sabes en cuál, porque it's got like 1, 2 different holes there, and that way you know exactly which hole you gotta put it in. Ok, lo volteamos al otro lado, le quitamos el metal. This trash. Look at this, look at this. Mira, 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 mira. Mira. See what happens? That's after 3 years. So, put it back in there. Lo ponemos otra vez para acá. The hole, back in the hole. There we go. Ahora, the fun begins. Ok, ahora tenemos que meter esta cosa para atrás. Ya, put it back, put it back. Put it back the right way. Ok, seguimos, seguimos, seguimos. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Seguimos, seguimos, seguimos. Y ahí está. Down. There we go. Make sure both sides are. Ya que está el hoyo, lo haces para adentro. Ahora lo dejas bajar. Y le cierras esto. ¡Bam! Y ya está.